Dive into history with us as we revisit a sticky situation from 1919. Boston, Massachusetts became the unlikely host for an unusual disaster. A massive wave of molasses, yes, you heard it right, molasses, took over the streets. A storage tank, brimming with over 2 million gallons of the sweet syrup, gave way. This rupture unleashed a torrent of molasses, rushing through the city at a staggering speed of 35 miles per hour. This wasn't a sweet dream, but a sticky nightmare. The molasses flood claimed the lives of 21 individuals and injured dozens more. The wave didn't stop at people, it wreaked havoc on buildings and infrastructure, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. A bizarre event, a sticky reminder of the unpredictability of life. This is history served with a dollop of molasses.